I wanted to show you these jade facial massagers that I received from the company. These are beautiful. You can freeze them. It does come with some instructions on how to properly use them and like get the most benefit, which you can read about. But they are actually like really pretty and they're very well made. You can see how pretty the colors are. This green jade. I think these are gorgeous. I'm really happy with them. I love the size. You can see the size. It's like a really nice size. They feel heavy and smooth. But there we go. So this is in inches. So this is about 3 inches. So really nice size. So I definitely recommend these if you're looking for something like this. I've tried a bunch of different ones and I find that this one is just really pretty and like nicely well made. I like enjoy doing this and using it. If you're looking, you could like read about all the benefits. I personally find them to be super beneficial and I'm really happy that I have them. Definitely give these a try.